If someone introduced you to the concept of investing in a virtual plot of land decades ago, you might find it absurd and probably laugh at the idea. It just didn't sit well to invest money in something intangible. However, today things are very different. Digital real estate is gaining momentum. There is now a market for it, unlike before. There are few digital worlds now where you can buy plots of virtual land. You can even earn and generate income from it. It has great potential. And if you want to invest in this, the right time to do so is now. Take advantage of the fact that digital real estate investing is still in its early stages, so it might only require a minimum investment, but the returns could be high. In this video, we will explain to you what digital real estate investing is, how and where you can start, and the pros and cons. So stay tuned because this will give you a head start in digital real estate investing before it becomes mainstream. So make sure to watch this video to the end. This is Financial Intellect, where we promote that to be finance savvy, we are your buddy. Now let's get right into the video. What is the Metaverse? The Metaverse is a network of 3D virtual worlds made up of different platforms that allow people to interact with others and build their digital dreams. It is focused on the social connection where people can socialize with friends, attend concerts in virtual reality, go shopping, or even order dinner, all from the comfort of their own homes. It is facilitated only by the use of virtual reality and augmented headsets. Metaverse already existed decades ago, but it was only recently that it truly gained momentum, partly due to Facebook's move to transition into a Metaverse company. Since Mark Zuckerberg announced the plans, many people are now exploring investment opportunities in this digital space. The most popular of these investment opportunities is buying virtual land. What is digital real estate? Digital real estate is parcels of land and properties in virtual land. It is a digital asset that has value and only exists online. Before, digital assets were typically dominated only by websites, domain names, and social media accounts. For instance, a domain name like booking.com. If customers want to make a booking for any hotel or rental, the domain is very valuable because it is super easy to remember. So when customers are researching, most likely this is what will rank higher in the search engines, driving traffic to the site. Other websites such as Google, TikTok, and Facebook also have lots of data attached to them, making them more valuable as well. Today, however, digital assets have evolved. It's not just about domains, apps, and websites. You can now also own blocks of virtual real estate through digital real estate investing existing on blockchain technology. For instance, you can own an arena to host concerts and events in the digital space, and you can charge people to attend. It is much like in real life where you can earn as well. To join the Metaverse, all you have to do is connect to the internet, put on your VR glasses, ready your avatar, and log in to the digital world. Just remember, however, that Metaverse is still in its early stages, so you have to be careful with your digital investments. How does digital real estate investing work? If you want to invest in digital real estate, all you have to do is purchase a virtual plot of land attached to an NFT or a non-fungible token. NFTs are like a digital certificate of ownership. If in real life, you get a deed when you buy a plot of land, in the Metaverse, you will get an NFT instead if you buy digital real estate. NFTs are your proof of ownership of digital land. You will get a code if you will buy real estate NFT. This is your proof that you own the NFT and are located in a blockchain. Once you own that, you can now do whatever you want with that NFT. Just like real estate in real life, you can have it rented, build on it, or even sell it. This is how you can earn or profit. Before we move on to the next one, if you're new to the channel, kindly give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so that you will know when we've posted new videos. Now let's continue to the next one. Where to start in digital real estate investing? Since the Metaverse is still in its early stages, there is no official Metaverse you can go to. There is still no single Metaverse platform to dig and invest on. Right now, various companies have their own Metaverse. So, if you want to buy a virtual plot of land, you have to visit different sites and buy from there. There is Decentraland, Hyperverse, Stageverse, Nakamoto, Spatial, Sandbox, Roblox, Fortnite, and many others. You have various options to choose from. It is much like social media, where you can choose from various platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, and TikTok. Again, take note that various metaverses are being launched from time to time right now. Hence, things can happen and change quickly. Some companies are popping up here and there. Some started good but ended up losing a few months later. So if you want to venture into digital real estate investing, familiarize yourself with the existing metaverse platforms and gain more in-depth learning on how it works. What is virtual land and why invest in it? Unlike physical land, virtual lands are intangible. It only exists in a virtual world. However, just like the physical land, it can also be bought, sold, and rented. There are various virtual world platforms where you can do this. The most popular right now is Decentraland. And believe it or not, virtual pieces of land can even sell for up to hundreds of thousands of dollars. One investor in June 2021 even bought a piece of virtual land amounting to more than $900,000. This only shows that investing in digital real estate can be profitable. You can earn a solid income just by investing in a virtual plot of land. Just as we've mentioned earlier, you can host parties and events and earn from it. Or you can also rent it out just like a physical land. You can generate a regular income if you know how to utilize and market it. What are the pros and cons of digital real estate investing? 1. Upsides of digital real estate investing. Metaverse has a lot of potential. It is just like we are entering a new era of the internet. This is why a lot of successful people are investing in these blockchain projects. Hence, if you will also invest early, just remember that you are like buying a piece of land in the 1900s New York. Right now, the cost might be cheap, but it can potentially be worth hundreds and millions of dollars in the future. In such a case, this could give you a high return. 2. Downsides of digital real estate investing. Just like any other investment, you can also lose your money in digital real estate. Although it has a potential for high returns, it also involves high risks. There is no single metaverse you can invest from. There are different options to choose from, which makes it volatile. There is no guarantee that the plot of virtual land you bought from a metaverse will take off and gain more value. The company may not even gain market share, or worse, it can also go bankrupt. There are lots of things that can go wrong. In addition, digital real estate is still in its early stages. Unlike stocks where there is a lot of information available to help you make decisions, digital real estate investing resources are still limited. There are still questions that are left to be answered. So make sure to do your research, dig into the metaverses, and study the market in general. After all, nobody wants to lose money, right? And those are the must-knows if you want to start investing in digital real estate. We hope it was helpful for you so you can make better decisions before diving headfirst. What are your thoughts on digital real estate? Do you believe it has great potential? Let us know in the comment section below. We'd love to hear your thoughts on this one. With that being said, thank you very much for watching. If you like what you've watched, stay tuned for more videos. Bye, financial buddies!